An ambulance. I'm sure you've seen an ambulance before on the road. We hear the sirens and we see the lights. It's important they get to the hospital quickly. Let's see what's on the inside of an ambulance. We know that there are people, like doctors, that help us to get better. They ride in the back with us. They're the paramedics or the EMT. Watch as they open the doors. First, we see the gurney, or the stretcher. It's like a bed with wheels. The paramedic shows us toys that we have to comfort you if you're scared. There's seat belts, even on the stretcher. We don't want you to fall out. There's a folding seat in the back with a seat belt. In the cabinets, we see different things. We see the toys, we see medicine, bandages, a stethoscope to listen to your heart, more bandages. There's also a big bag with lots of stuff in case your heart stops. If your heart stops, that's called cardiac arrest. The white container has all the things that they need to help a child if their heart stops. It's important to get our heart going again. More bags with more medicine and more tools. Do you know what this is? This is a tank of oxygen. It helps us to breathe when we can't breathe. And there's another one. There are lots of buttons in the ambulance, and there are lots of lights on the inside and the outside. There's radios to let the hospital know that we're on our way. Gloves, a place to put needles if we need a shot. Up front, there are lots of buttons as well, and radios, and it's important that we wear our seatbelt. These buttons help control the lights that you see, and the siren can go up and down and make different sounds. The buttons can control the lights. Sometimes the lights flash faster or slower, and sometimes the siren is louder or has a different sound. Thank you, Moshannon Valley EMS, for showing us your ambulance that helps save lives.